Love is like a roller coaster, but I'm trying to hold on.
Hi guys, what is up? Oh gosh, my hair, you guys, I'm feeling my hair so much. Hi guys, how you guys doing? See, I hardly pick up my vlogging camera these days to vlog anything because you guys, it's a lot happening. Like, a lot has been going on, but I am just leaving an event. Literally, I am just leaving an event. See my tag, but I didn't vlog that event. It's gonna be on my Instagram just in case you are interested in what I went for. But I am here at Imani Clinics because yesterday, I was actually here yesterday, and you guys, you know that I have never been to see a dentist in my whole life. Like, I have never been to the dentist in my entire life. How crazy is that? But that's one thing that Alma has never done until yesterday. So I was here yesterday. I had a consultation. Imani Clinics does a lot of things, from anything basically body aesthetic, okay, from your teeth, dental care, to, you know, fillers, Botox, if you're into all of that, and a host of other things that they do here. And I decided to go for dental care yesterday because it dawned on me that, look, I have never seen a dentist in my life. So by the time they did my consultation and did my analysis, I had two teeth that had holes. So one up here and then one down there. So yesterday they actually filled in my teeth. I didn't vlog that as well, but you probably will see that on Instagram as well if you are following me on Instagram. So I am back today. They asked me to come back today for teeth polishing and professional cleaning, whitening, and all of that. I have never done that before, and I cannot wait to get my smile even more on flick. You guys always tell me that I have good teeth, which I think that's the reason why I've never come to see a dentist, because I always have like good dentition. But I can't imagine my teeth even looking better than it already does, and I'm excited. So let's go in and let's get this done.
Afraid, emotions getting in your way. Afraid, but why you let me fall in love if you're afraid to commit? And don't call me in the middle of the night and say that you're not able to be loved. It's not right. No.
Yeah, I'm seeing the particles. I'm wondering where they're coming from.
Still a million miles from you, so I'm gonna let you go.
I'm seeing the particles in the distance. Wow. Looking so nice already.
Still a million miles from you, yeah. So I'm gonna let you go. Oh boy, if you only knew, not a day goes by without you on my mind. You couldn't go on together. You said nothing lasts forever, though you can't.
See how white it looks. Guys, oh, they're so white. I love it. You guys, the day after my teeth procedure, the day after my teeth got polished and scaled and whitened, and oh my god, guys, I am so in love. Everywhere I'm going now, I'll be doing my teeth like this. You must see it. If you don't see it, but I'm loving this so much, you guys. Like, My goodness, wow, this is so pretty, so nice. I love it. They have upgraded my smile. I just feel like I can't stop doing this. Like the upgrade is so massive. Like I never really had like proper discolored teeth per se, but this is a massive upgrade to how my teeth looked. Okay, like look at that. Oh my gosh, I can't stop. But wow, like this is a massive upgrade. Like I feel like everybody needs to do this. Like the scaling, the polishing, the whitening, and the restoration for my 2 teeth that had holes. I can't get enough, guys. I can't just get enough. I'll just be going like this every day. Everywhere I'm going, I'm doing like this. Everybody must see it. Yeah. So really quickly, I have a new set of pots. Like you guys, I have been wanting a new set of pots for the longest time, and I got sent this beautiful set of pots, this 7-piece set from Abuja Kitchen Essentials, and basically it has 3 pots and 1 pan. Mia is here because she just loves unboxing, right? But guys, these pots are beautiful, like beautiful. Look at that. Non-stick. It looks so durable and feels so durable, and I just love the covers. Like all of this is rubber, right? So they have like rubber, I don't know how to describe this, but like rubber stuff on top of the proper metal or whatever it is that they used to make these pots. But like these are so pretty, and I can't even wait to start cooking. Like, to be very honest, you guys, I have stopped making or vlogging my cooking because I just wasn't happy with how my pots looked anymore, and I knew I wanted a new set of pots. So when Abuja Kitchen Essentials decided to send me this set, I'm just like, yeah, we're going back to vlogging our cooking very soon. But these pots are beautiful. Like, you guys, look at the handle. Like, it has this yeah, so you see it's removable. I can actually remove this if I want, but it's like a rubber coating on top of the actual metal handle, which is superb. Like, this rubber is thick. Like, look, it's so thick, it's not going anywhere. But I love these so much, guys. Like, I'm going to completely enjoy cooking in these beautiful pots. Look at that. Is it pretty, mama?
Yeah.
It's pretty, right? What's the first meal you want me to make with this pot?
Jollof rice.
Jollof rice queen. Yes, girl. But yeah, I think making jollof rice in this pot would be such a breeze. Like, you guys. Oh my god. And the color, I love the color so much. They are black, but I love the pop of color with these handles and all of these things, you know. So nice.
So soft.
So soft, is it? I'm so in love with this pot, you guys. Like, I am so in love. If you guys want to get like amazing kitchen, you know, products, kitchen essentials, pots, pans, kitchen utensils, all types of kitchen accessories and stuff, check out Abuja Kitchen Essentials. I'm gonna leave their handle on the screen right now just in case you're interested. But you guys, these pots are amazing, and you guys will be the first to see when I finally use these to cook something. Like, oh, I can't stop touching them. These rubber things are so, they feel like velvet. Like, they're so soft. I absolutely love this. Like, I love how the pan has this thing on the handle as well. Like, look at that. Absolutely love it, you guys. Mama, do you like it?
Oh yeah.
You do, huh? I've already warned everybody in this house that these pots are mine to use and mine alone. You see these pots and this pan, nobody else is allowed to use them aside me. I've already left an instruction in this house, and my husband is looking at me like, so what is the whole essence of you having your pot if we cannot use it? But I have left I've told them my own. I don't want to see anybody touching these pots apart from me. Okay, this is the carton. I mean the packaging. I have already unboxed this for Instagram. That's why, you know, it's everywhere, but this is what it looks like. And I think they have other colors as well. So if you're interested, definitely go check out Abuja Kitchen Essentials on Instagram. And if you want to walk into the store, their address is also on their Instagram page, so go check them out, guys. Meanwhile, we have a package that came in for Mia Rose and I. Yay! And I can't wait to unbox this. Oh my goodness, are you excited? What do you think is in there?
I think it's a toy.
Toy, okay. Which kind of Monkey's toy? I said package that came for the 2 or 4. You said toy. Which toy?
Mommy, is a clothes.
Is it close?
Yes, and it's pink.
And it's pink? How do you know? We haven't even opened the thing yet, so how do you know? Anyway, let's get to unboxing. We're so excited. Oh my god. We have outfits from Africa. We have 2 mommy and me outfits. How cute. This is mine, this is yours. Okay, so this is outfit number 1. This lovely dashiki. Yeah, it's so pretty. And then this is Mia's own. We're doing mommy and me. How cute. Look at that. Ooh, let's see the second one, mama outfit. And mama, you were right, it has pink on it. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, you guys, look at mine. Ah, this is so pretty. And then this is Mia's. Oh wow, I can't wait for you guys to see what we get up to styling these. Are you excited? Because I am, girl. I am. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much to Africa for always making sure that my daughter and I are always twinning and looking good. I love it. Ah, so pretty. And the quality of these are so amazing, guys. So amazing. Wow. Beautiful ashoki. Love it. Micah, what are you eating? Eh? Who gave you chicken? Micah. Micah. Is it to scratch his gum? Who gave you? Is it grandma? Oh my goodness. Micah. Grandma, collect that chicken from this boy. See him. See him. See him. See him. See him. He will cry, your grandma. He will cry. Oh my goodness. Micah. Look at you guys. 7 months. See Micah. Chicken bone before Christmas has even come, sir. What? You're so cute. You're so cute. Grandma. See grandma. It's massive chicken. Look at. Can't forget. So grandmas are everything. Forget. Oh my goodness. Hi guys. Hello. Hope you guys are doing good. Today is Tuesday and I'm heading out with the hubby. Hi.
Hi.
Guys, we are heading over to Kebabs and Curry's restaurant. I'm working with them today and I decided who better to go with than to eat the food than with Jesse. So we are headed over there right now.
Every time you're going with your friends,
my husband is like, he's vexing for me at this point because he was like, every time I'm going to a restaurant like work or shoot, I always go with my friends. I never go with him. So I'm like, you know what, today let's go together, okay? So he's coming with me and we're going to Kebabs and Curry's, and we get there, I will show you guys, you know, everything, the meals and all of that and everything that we get up to, right? Right.
I can't wait.
You're just happy because you're going to eat food. Let me talk like Mia Rose. Mia Rose will say, you are so happy, mommy, because you're going to eat food.
Personal beauty.
I swear that mommy, she'll say, mommy, you're so lucky. I want you to tell me, Mommy, you're so lucky you're going to eat food.
Oh my god.
Anyway, guys, let's go.
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special.
The lighting, my god, it's giving.
Friends, I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl